What's going on, y'all? Today we are doing another ride on the 2024 KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition. Shoo, that's a mouthful. I think this is like my fourth ride on this bike, so I wanted to give a ride in review now that I've rode this a few times, tell you the things that I like about it, tell you the things that I don't like about it. But yeah, let's get out on the track. I'll tell you what I think. I love the engine on this bike, dude. It's so smooth and it pulls forever. Corners like an absolute dream. Barking. It's so fast in the top end. The power is so, I feel like it's so deceptively fast for a 250 because it's so smooth and linear, and it doesn't feel like it's pulling your arms off everywhere. You might mistake it for being slow, but God. The more you rev this thing, the more it keeps pulling, dude. So personally, I am really enjoying the suspension on this bike. The first time I rode it, it took a while for me to set it up to my liking. So I think the suspension definitely takes a little bit getting used to. Takes a while for you to dial it in to your liking, but man, once you get the settings right, this thing feels so good. All right, don't stall it, D-Rec. That's probably one of my complaints with this bike. Is for some reason when I have the clutch pulled in all the way to my fingers, like my knuckles, if I get too hard on that rear brake, this thing will stall every time. It's almost like you have to pull the clutch all the way to the grip to stop this bike from stalling. It's very strange. I'd say my other big complaint with this bike are the spokes. The spokes on this thing suck so bad. Alright, that was pretty good. Not too shabby. I feel like the faster you ride it, the better the chassis and the suspension feel. Because it's a 250, you gotta hold that thing wide open. But it really rewards you when it does. Because that engine pulls so long and is so smooth and linear. Like I was saying, the spokes on this bike come loose every single ride. I don't know what the heck is going on with these KTMs, dude. This is even the factory edition with the upgraded wheel set. And dude, every single ride, it doesn't matter if I'm doing jumps or just trail riding, the spokes on that rear wheel come loose every single ride. Like 6 or more of them. So if someone can tell me a tip, that'd be really appreciated. Or am I just stuck with tightening these these spokes every single time I ride it. So not only does that power just feel like it pulls forever, those gears just feel like they rev out so damn far. Like third gear on this bike is so ridiculously long. It's long and the power never stops. It's incredible. So pros and cons of this KTM 250 SXF 2024 factory edition. Let's run through it one more time. The motor is exceptional. It's so fast, especially in the top end. It feels like the power pulls forever. It corners and handles so well. I really love this chassis. Woo! I really love this chassis. I love the way this thing corners. And then lastly, once you get the suspension dialed in, yes, this thing takes more work to get the suspension dialed in than other bikes, like the Yamaha KYB. But once you put in that effort and put in the time to get all your clickers, your air pressure right, this thing, I love the suspension. No complaints with the air fork, dude. I like how quiet it is compared to my Yamaha YZ250F. This thing is so quiet and I love that. I was expecting a fat whip. No fat whips. The negatives of this bike aren't necessarily how the bike rides. It's more about the spokes. I hate those dang spokes. They suck. They come loose way too often. I guess I could say I don't like how expensive it is. The MSRP price tag is much more expensive than the other bikes in class. Oh, I don't like the how easily this thing stalls. I don't know if it's a clutch adjustment, but I'm pretty sure these hydros adjust themselves. I don't like how easily this bike stalls in low RPM. And I don't like the weak spokes. That's pretty much it. Otherwise, this thing is a pretty incredible machine, dude. I love the versatility of the air forks and being able to change the air pressure. Like if I go trail riding, all I have to do is let some air pressure out of those forks and it feels so good in the woods. A couple clicker adjustments and we're cooking through the woods. Whoa! Oh, my favorite thing of all, I forgot. The brakes are insane. The Brembo brakes on this bike are ridiculously good, dude. Yeah, buddy. There you go, Ray. YZ450. I think it's a 26. Woo! It's the one with the new hydro clutch. God, that roost on the 450. Ouch. There we go. Got a little train going. Honda, Yamaha, Cowie, I mean KTM. Don't even know what bike I'm on. Where's this guy going? I've owned this bike for maybe a couple months now. I think this is my 4th time riding it. And I just wanted to do like an updated review. Talk about the things I definitely like, things I definitely don't like about it. Again, it's a 2024 KTM 250 SXF factory edition. Oh, and it looks amazing. The factory edition just looks so good. I got to compare it back to back to my YZ 250F here soon. But man, I'm loving this thing so far. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you next time. Peace.